going to Surfside too many times before I get over here.
That's what we did. We're like today, just straight here.
It's picking up a lot. You got a double swell. Out on the horizon, you can see a really big swell out there northeast on the horizon. The guy that's way out and over is getting good decent waves. A lot of wind blowing on it. So far, the last hurricane, you had a rip current sucking people out to sea. They fight the current to get back to the jetty, be half exhausted. One guy went on out, got a wave and came in down here. So, I don't think that current, because the hurricane's not down there, is going to get horrific. Not yet. Not yet.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, that's the guy that's getting